I think the AR/VR fraternity is a fast-growing fraternity, and I can understand some of them could not be here. But we need more and more people to come and participate in conferences like these to kind of show that yes, there are a lot of companies already implementing AR/VR and also companies building AR/VR solutions. So the more the number of people participate, the better it is for the ecosystem to grow. And from that perspective, I think more such events are required, and people can come together, exchange ideas, and overall help the ecosystem grow. Unfortunately, I was traveling and I could not attend last year's conference, so this was a first-time experience for me, but brilliant experience, loved it. Already planning for it, yes, I'm already talking to the organizers on what can be done for next year's conference as well, right from topics to kind of people to invite, and would love to come back as a speaker over here and share our experiences. I would say it comes very close between 8 and 9. I mean, it's brilliant. I think the points where they lose personally for me is because it's not in Bombay. Had it been in Bombay, I would have given it a 10 on 10.